Hello everyone, I am Dhanya TN, computer teacher from Reliance Foundation School, Lodhi Valley. Today I am going to show a program that's AI Object Seeker. Here, the object detection will be performed on an image that we upload on the PictoBlox stage as a background. So here, this is the background that you can see here. One bus and so many cars are there. Uh, So the code will move a square box on the location of the detected objects one by one and will make the square box see the class of that object. So this is about the program. Now the sprite we use as a square box instead of the how we have used in earlier programs. So here the sprite is square box, and the sprite object square box is already initiated by default. Let's import the time library also there, and then object detection. Let us know also initiate the object detection object and pen object. Pen dot clear. You can see pen dot clear here to clear any pen markings from previous session. And the threshold also we set 0.5 here, 50%. Then analyze stage for analyzing the image on the stage. Disable box for disabling the box that appear on the stage around object. Now for loops we are using to find out the objects. Yes, and to, because more than one object is there, you can see we will find more than one object, so we have to take their x position, y position, width and all. So count function object detection class gives us the maximum number of objects detected. We add +1, right? Since the end of the program, range function is excluded. So this is about the program. Now we can check the program by running. Yes, car you can see, bus you can see. Now once again also, and then we'll run again. Yes, bus, car, again car. It's, and so many cars are there, so that's it's showing. So okay, yeah, another image also you can use. This is about the program. Everyone try this. Thank you.